If you are trying to get clients on Upwork, but nobody is replying to your proposals, this video will save you a lot of time. Because in 2026, the fastest way to start freelancing is not by learning everything from scratch. It's by using AI skills that clients are already paying for. In this video, I'll show you what AI skills clients want, how to create beginner-friendly services, and how to get your first client on Upwork, even if you have no experience. Let's start. A lot of beginners think they need to be experts before starting on Upwork. That's not true. Most clients are not looking for genius freelancers. They are looking for someone who can help them save time, create content faster, edit work, or improve their business using AI tools. And the best part is, many of these services are easy to start if you know how to package them properly. What AI skills sell on Upwork? Let's first talk about the AI skills that actually sell. Here are some beginner-friendly AI services you can offer on Upwork. 1. AI content writing. You can help clients with blog posts, product descriptions, email writing, website content, social media captions. 2. AI thumbnail design work. Using tools like Canva, you can create YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, simple brand graphics. 3. AI video editing. You can offer short-form video editing, subtitles, captions, repurposing long videos into short clips. 4. AI research and virtual assistants. Clients often need help with research summaries, organizing information, creating drafts. 5. AI script writing. This is huge right now. You can write YouTube scripts, ad scripts, short video hooks, educational content. If you're a beginner, I recommend you start with just one service. Not 5, not 10. 1. That's how you grow faster. Best service for beginners. If you ask me which AI skill is easiest for beginners, I would say this: AI content plus script writing. Why? Because it requires low investment, you can do it with free or cheap tools, and clients are always looking for content. Here's an example of a simple service you can offer. I will write high-quality blog posts and SEO content using AI and human editing. Or, I will write YouTube scripts for faceless channels using AI research. That sounds professional. And more importantly, it solves a real problem. How to create your Upwork service. Now let's talk about how to create a service that actually gets clicks. Most beginners make this mistake. They write vague things like, I can do content writing, SEO, video editing, thumbnails, and many more. That's too broad. Clients don't trust broad offers. Instead, make your profile and proposals very specific. Bad example, I can do many things with AI. Better example, I help YouTube creators write engaging scripts using AI research and human editing. That is clear. It tells the client what you do, who you help, and what result they get. Here are 3 beginner-friendly service ideas you can directly use. Service idea 1, AI blog writer for small businesses. Service idea 2, YouTube script writer for faceless channels. Service idea 3, SEO content writer using AI plus editing. Choose one, build around that, and keep your whole profile focused on it. How to make samples without experience. Now here's the big question. What if I don't have any client work yet? Simple. You create sample work. This is exactly what smart beginners do. Let's say you want to become a YouTube script writer. Create 3 sample scripts like Top 5 AI Tools for Students, Best Side Hustles in 2026, How to Start Freelancing with No Experience. If you want to become a blog writer, write 3 sample articles like Best Laptops for Students in 2026, How AI is Changing Freelancing, Top Productivity Tools for Remote Workers. These are not fake. These are portfolio samples. And for beginners, samples are more important than certificates. Because clients don't care what course you watched. They care whether you can actually do the work. So before sending proposals, make at least 3 strong samples. That gives you a huge advantage. How to write a winning Upwork proposal. Now let's talk about the part that decides whether you get ignored or get hired. Your proposal. Most beginners send boring proposals like this. Hello sir, I am interested in your job. I can do this work perfectly. Please hire me. That doesn't work. Instead, your proposal should do 3 things. 1. Show that you read the job post. 2. Explain how you can help. 3. Give a quick reason to trust you. Here's a simple proposal template you can use. Proposal template script. Hi. I read your job post and I can help you with this. I specialize in AI-assisted content writing and script creation, especially for creators and online businesses. If you want, I can create a short sample based on your topic, so you can see my writing style before we begin. I focus on clear structure, engaging writing, and human-edited AI content. If that sounds good, I'd be happy to help. Thank you. Continue script. That's it. Short, clean, professional. No begging, no long story, and no copy-paste spam. That alone will put you ahead of many beginners. How to get first client faster. If you want to get your first client faster, here's what I recommend. 1. Start with one small service. Don't offer 10 services, offer one. 2. Apply daily. Send 5 to 10 good proposals every day, not random proposals, good ones. 3. Improve samples. Your samples matter more than you think. A beginner with strong samples can often beat someone with a weak profile. 4. Apply to fresh jobs. Try to apply to jobs posted recently. That gives you a better chance of being seen early. 5. Don't wait for perfect. A lot of people lose because they wait too long. Start small, improve while working. That's how freelancing actually grows. So, if you want to get clients on Upwork in 2026, the formula is simple. Pick one AI skill, create 3 solid samples, write better proposals, and stay consistent. You do not need to be an expert to start. You just need to be useful. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.